Good afternoon, everybody. So, check it out. We're here, and we gotta get our air conditioning on. I love this thing. Anyway, so what we're gonna do. Today's plan is to try to get this horn button to work. I'm having some issues with it, but this is cool. The light works, so that's cool. But yeah, the connection isn't working, so I'm gonna have to troubleshoot some of this. This is kind of cool. It's got a quick disconnect in here. You can do it one-handed. There we go. So these two contacts make contact with the steering wheel inside here. These two, and then it's supposed to push the button here, and then it makes the contacts. So it horns, because there's a hot wire in here which runs down under there. Get some more lighting in here. But yeah, I don't know what's up, so I'm gonna have to tear this down. What I want to do is put like across the wire, and let's just see if we even have anything going on. Basically, you just want to take like a wire or something and just try to jump it, you know. Because that's ultimately what I think this switch is doing. See, we got nothing. So there's something in here. We're gonna tear it apart. That may be wrong, so we'll see what's up. So the idea here is we got a hot wire that runs down, okay, connects to one of the posts. Then we have our ground wire. Once this makes a connection with ground, you should be able to just push the two together and it'll honk. Now I know the horn works, our ground doesn't work, so that means that there's something either wrong here, or my guess is way up under there. So we're going to take this part off and we're going to see what's up. So that's the next part. Alright, well, we figured out what I think the problem is. So I was using this aftermarket one wire, and when you put this in here and you tap it to the negative, well, to the ground here, it doesn't honk. But watch this. So that works. So we're gonna have to use this wire, but as you can see, it like comes out from this, and when you put this on, it ends up like being flush. Shoot. Ends up being flush on there. And so we're gonna have to cut this to make it flat, so then we can put everything back together. So that'll be the next project here. And then this is the piece that goes there. So alright, it wasn't even like 2 minutes later and I already actually figured out what the problem really was. So here's the new aftermarket wire. Turns out it actually works. So the issue was the connection between this wire, I'm trying to get this wire here and this wire. So the red and black was the issue. So I gotta figure this connection out, and then we'll put it all back and we'll see if it works. So that'll be the next step here. Alright, we got it all back together now. So, this is the moment of truth. Alright, so turn that on. Perfect. We got it. That's right. This was so frustrating the other day when I was trying to get this to work, and well, it just wasn't. So now we got it, so we should pass an inspection. Next up is the headliner. It's in the attic right now, so I got to take care of that. There's a little issue with it, so we're working on the headliner. Try to get this thing inspected tomorrow. Probably gonna actually remove the dash to do that, because I'm gonna be like, what's the odometer reading? Like, I don't know. And yeah, so should be good. We're gonna be rolling with a black headliner. So right now it's actually blue, just like this panel was. This was actually all blue, kind of like that hood color over there. So what you end up doing is this. Let me show you. So you get one of these. It's called a vinyl and fabric doopy color. And what you do is you just go around and you spray your stuff. So that one's actually pretty heavy. So we should have enough to do the headliner at least. So that'll be the plan for this. Thing is like, where do we do that at, you know? So usually I do that outside, just over the grass, and throw down like a cardboard box or something. Do what you can. So that is the plan. Once this thing is inspected and all that, we'll switch out our sticker, and then this thing will be ready to roll for making some more videos and some more cool content coming y'all's way. So bear with me on the repairs here. But at least we got our ground effects installed now, up front and down low, and I think it just adds total new element to the car, especially since you know, this car didn't have that originally. So they didn't even make these things to last. Like, look at this. Look at the like the way the sheet metal is, you know, it's like it was just riveted in. So that's interesting. But anyway, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Ha! Psych! You guys thought I was done. Nope. So we got the headliner right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start spraying this. This is pretty ragged, I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, it's kind of a mess. What I should really do is just buy the new one on eBay or whatever, but we're not gonna do that because I don't have the money for that right now. But maybe one day. So we're gonna see how this turns out, and we'll go from there. So we're gonna go ahead and start spraying. Okay, change of plans. We're gonna take this outside. I thought we would have enough airflow, but we definitely don't. So we're gonna be taking this thing outside. All right, looks pretty good here. So we're gonna bring this over here now, right over here. So we're gonna bring it over here, let it dry. Try to install all that tomorrow. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Everything else is going okay. So we got our ground effects, we got all this, so should be sitting pretty. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next episode. KITT says hello.